Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my container gardening update for the summer of 2018. The garden is really struggling this year. I think it's because I planted late, but what you are looking at here is the lettuce. The lettuce looks pretty good. So, yeah, pretty happy with the lettuce. I had two containers of lettuce. This lettuce did not make it. So, yeah, everything's kind of struggling. And the bean plants look absolutely horrible, but they are producing beans. I pulled these just a few minutes ago. So there is 5 good-sized beans. So these did come off of here. Let me get closer. There are little beans that are coming up. There's one. Here's one. Here is some down here. Here's one. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep them going. Here's one. But they really are struggling. Here's one. Here's one back here. Here. So yeah, they are really, so I'm trying to hopefully get as many beans. The beans I got, I mean, they look really good. So, okay, so let's go ahead and walk. Here's the tomatoes are doing pretty good. This one has 2. There's that one. And then one right there. And this one has 8 over here. This one's doing really good. So we got one there. We've got some there. Right there. And we got 3 up here. So those tomatoes are doing really good. But this one right here is once again struggling. And like I said, I think it's because I planted too late. And then these are the wildflowers. There is this one. It's really tall. And then we got this one and one over there. So that is really it for right now. I just wanted to share again because it has been a while since I have did a video about the garden container. I'm going to try to get at least one more video before the container garden completely goes. But anyway, yeah, we have good lettuce. The beans are producing. And we have got 11 tomatoes on the vine right now. So, and like I said, and I did pull these. So, today. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.